Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 display size problem. If you're finding your Windows 11 display too zoomed in and it's driving you crazy, you are not alone. I will walk you through some easy steps to fix this issue and get your screen back to normal. So let's start the video. First, right click on any empty space on your desktop and then click on display settings. Here identify your monitor if you are using a dual monitor setup. Now scroll down to the scale and layout section. Make sure the scale is set to either 100% or the recommended option. Now click on the drop down menu. As you can see, the scale is higher than the recommended option. So we are going to select 150%. If the scale setting doesn't solve the issue, the next thing to check is your screen resolution. Sometimes a lower resolution can make everything appear larger. So click on the drop down menu next to display resolution and select the recommended resolution, which is usually the highest one available for your monitor. So there you have it. Hopefully one of these steps helped you fix your zoomed in display on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.